With holiday travel picking up across the US, here are the best Amazon travel gadgets to keep in your bag for a smoother journey. Hello there, I'm Eric's, your friendly travel buddy, tech reviewer, and personal guide to smarter living. Even though I'm using this voiceover tool to speak to you, I'm a real, actual person. Number 1 on my list, the LARK water bottle. Its built-in UVC light kills up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses, and the double-walled stainless steel keeps water ice cold. It is a bit pricey, but the maker sells parts separately so you don't have to replace the whole bottle. You should only buy it on a sale, like Black Friday, since the price usually drops. Number 2, the AirFly. This is a must-have on our 17-hour flight. It's a total game changer. No more cords getting tangled, and you don't have to unplug if you're stuck in the middle or aisle seat when your seat neighbor shimmies by to use the bathroom. You can connect your Bluetooth noise-canceling headphones, and it even works with the weird dual-prong airplane headphone jacks. I found out it works if you just plug it into one of the holes. It's tiny and lightweight. There are several variations, so you can pay for just the features you want. You can even use it in your hotel room to listen to TV. Number 3, this back pillow. If you're over the age of 23, you'll definitely need this, trust me. It's both self-inflatable and has memory foam, a unique combo that gives you the best of both worlds. I used it on long flights. Plus, it packs down easily, taking up very little space in your bag. Honestly, this is my most important travel essential. Boy, do I feel old. If you're enjoying these tips so far, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe or like the video. Okay, number 4, the HEROCLIP. Don't underestimate this little gadget, it's ridiculously useful. It's basically an over-engineered carabiner. You can flip the hook out to hang your backpack off a table ledge, keeping it off dirty floors or bathroom stall doors. I used it constantly on my trip to clip my water bottle to my backpack, hang clothes to dry in hotel bathrooms. Lightweight, strong, and versatile. It's one of those small items that makes life so much easier while traveling. Number 5, the portable electric fan. Actually, here are 3 variations I recommend. This one clips on under your shirt, this one is a neck fan that rolls up very compact, and this is a powerful handheld one. It's compact, rechargeable, and surprisingly powerful. I even use this one as a hand dryer since a lot of bathrooms do not have paper towels and hand dryers and they're just blow around germs. If you have to hand wash clothes in your hotel, pointing a fan at it ensures it dries the next day instead of still staying damp. It is a small gadget that makes a big difference when traveling. And that's it, my top 5 travel essentials that made any trip so much more comfortable and enjoyable. I've added affiliate links in the description. If you grab anything through them, it helps support this channel at no extra cost to you.